In this video, I will show you how to answer the question. We can apply about interpolation bypass. So we put about u, that is about arcsine of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So there should be like this. dv, that is about this one. The interpolation of this one, we have v equals to s. Now we have we have v multiplied by u, so that should be about s arcsine of s. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1 minus, we have the integral from 0 to number 1, and that is about du multiplied by v. Next, number 1 I will put in here, and number 0 I will put in here. So because we have number 0, so you got number 0 in here. The next one, we put the negative sign go in here. Later that we put number 2 go in here and here. So we need to focus on this one. Now we can apply about interpolation by substitution. So I will put about u, that is about this one. Next, we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. So this one, that is about 1 minus s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because number 1, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2s. Later that we can see we have negative 2s, similar for this one. That's why I need to put number 2 in here and here. Now we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 go in here. So you got u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 go in here. So u equals to number 0. Because 1 minus 1 square, you got number 0. Now this one we change for u. Negative 2s, the s we change for this one. So 0 we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 0. And this one we have number 1. So we have the u and the bounds from number 1 to number 0. So we put number 0 go in here, number 1 go in here. So this one we have negative number 1. And this one, if we use the calculator And that is about B over 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.